Moko and steamed fish, seafood plate, passion fruit juice, and homemade coconut oil. Remember, your views matters, even if you're not subscribed.
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit my logo at the end of this video and every other video. Never miss a video by clicking the bell on your right hand side. Spare me 5 minutes and head over to my channel. Barbecue chicken and fish, lime juice and mango smoothie. Chickpeas and banana spinach breakfast smoothie, leftover barbecue fish into oven fried fish.